This is the fish aquarium. Okay. Okay, start digging. Now you're peeking.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
You guys need exactly where to go.
Yeah, don't stop.
It's okay. This is how you stop from peeking. Okay, pull up your net. See what you got. Okay, take off your... Say, stop! Take the... I didn't mean to pick your nose. Okay, what do you got in your net?
Nothing.
Chicken, nothing! Okay, Michaela's turn.
Huh?
Okay, Michaela.
She's over there. You knocked over something.
Stop. Isn't it?
I'm a peeker.
You're a peeker. Don't suffocate her. Okay, stop. Binya. Okay. Here's your fish. Here's the aquarium.
Okay.
Okay. We're fishing. Don't wind up. Okay? Let me know when you think you got something in your net.
You have it at her mouth.
I got it. Mother, not fair.
You don't worry about it.
I got rock.
Oh, you might have a fish. Pull it up and maybe you can see what you got. Oh, we don't want that back in there. Nope, nothing.
Hi, my name's